Dear traders, welcome to Axa Forex Trading Institute. So on this video, I'll be showing you how to trade order blocks. So already I've shared the PDF via the groups, so I'm sure that we have went through it. So guys, if you can check here, we're having two types of order blocks. So you can go through this. You have it on your phone. Then I try to explain everything on these different types of order blocks. So the thing is that I'll just try to maybe some give some illustrations here. So guys, if you can check now, we're having ICT order blocks and also this ICT order blocks and the other one. So the thing that you must differentiate is that on ICT we only take this previous red candle. Let me highlight. We only take this previous red candle from where this bullish liquidity void started, and then we highlight that level from where the bullish liquidity void started. The green candle, the red candle that is opposing the bullish liquidity void. Then in mind, we know that okay, the market is likely to come and refill the gap that was created during this liquidity void, and then it will come and retest or refill the gap from where this zone where it started. Then from there you can see this is the before, then this is the after. So this is something that you must know on ICT. But then if we can check this other one, if we can check this other one, if we can check this other one, it's more different to a ICT order block, because on ICT order block, remember, it's only the previous red candle. It's only the previous red candle. But then in this one, it's like the consolidation during the liquidity void. The market will create a liquidity void and then it consolidates and then it continues again. So during that consolidation, this is what we call an institutional order block. So in this one, same I can say same, maybe same application but different identification, because this one you take only the consolidation, then on ICT you take only the previous red candle. Simple like that. Then let's just jump, because already you have this one. So here I was just giving you a clarification only. So if you can check, these are the tips that you must make sure to follow while doing your while waiting for the activation of the order block. And then here is it, something that we call a liquidity injection. Yes, sometimes you can identify that order block, but you might be able to get triggered by what we call liquidity injection. Already you know what's a liquidity injection, because the market is not always gonna give you perfect retests. So you know the anatomy against liquidity injections. And then we are also having something that has been fully explained here. So guys, on order block, sometimes you can have a level and also an order block, but before the market moves from that level, it can break below to activate the order block, or you can have the order block above and then it breaks below to activate the previous level. So on this one, guys, I won't be explaining a lot. Already you have this PDF on your voice. So also having this full explanation of the previous slide. So this slide, it's explained fully here. If you can check, guys, everything has been shown. If the market is on a key zone or key level, and then it can, yes, before it can activate the order block, but it can come break below to activate the previous level. Then vice versa, if this was a level, then this was an order block. So it's a two-way traffic. So okay, let's just quickly jump to a platform so that we can be able to identify these two types of order blocks. So guys, this is just a summary. I will just try to remember the rules. Your chart must be clean. So already Mina, I'm having my templates ready there. Then clean. This is what we call an SMC trader. You see, this is an SMC trader. No chart, no indicators. I mean, just a clean chart. So, guys, the secret and another secret when it comes to order blocks, any time frame have its order blocks. So the thing that you must know, the higher the time frame, the more accurate the order blocks and the less the order blocks. Because if I can switch to 5 minutes, we can have 15 order blocks, but not all of them that are tradable. Because I've also sent a PDF where like I was showing you tradable order blocks compared to untradable order blocks. So here guys, this is hourly chart. Let's just identify those two types of order blocks. So you can see this is a bullish trend, right? So okay, if we can we can maybe okay, it's fine, but it's still fine. So if you check guys, this is our, I'm seeing something there. Or even let's start identifying ICT order blocks. So if you can check guys, I'm seeing an ICT order block. Remember, in an uptrend, we're only looking for bullish order blocks. So remember, it takes from where? From the start. Here it is. It takes from where? The red candle before the start of the liquidity void. And then the market, in mind, we know that, okay, the market will have to come back and refill the zone or activate the order block. Then from there, moved. So you can see this one's the ICT order block. But let's go and check institutional order block. So then we're also having another one here. Remember, this is a liquidity void. You can see, guys. Remember, I was just showing you this 2 minutes ago. This, okay, let me just clear and start again. Please pay attention, guys. You see, this is an uptrend or a bullish liquidity void. Then the market will consolidate. Then from there, it will continue moving up. So that consolidation is our order block, right? Then here it's our liquidity void. And then it consolidated here. And then it continued. So this level is going to be our order block. So if I'm lying, guys, let's see if it was not obeyed. If you can check, guys, here it is. Clear, simple, like ABC. You see, so in case, here it is, exactly accurate. You see, this is our consolidation here, and then the market ran, then it came back, refilled the first gap, and then from there it managed to find a reversal, or it activated that order block, and then trended up, trades up. Another opportunity or another entry, it was using ICT order blocks. You can see, then here it is, and boom, the market has gone far. So if we can check, maybe let's go to 30 minutes time frame and check for only, like, maybe even if it's last two. I just want to show you something, guys. These things, they are nicely okay. Another one, it's here. This is not ICT, but it's an order block, institutional order block. You can see the market was running up there, then it consolidated. Then from there, what happened? Then you can see the market was running up and then consolidated. And then from there, it came back, continued running up. Guys, these things, they are simple. So you can have many order blocks as you can, but the higher the time frame, the higher the accuracy of the order block. So let me check. I wanted to show you for a long term. I wanted to show you the one of long term. So another one, guy, another secret is this, guys. An order block can be lasting for a long term. So this is an ICT order block. Even let me just use a line. This is an ICT order block. The red candle. You can see. So during on that level, we had one activation. Then we came head to H. So as I was saying, We first had one. Okay, Ibile, let me just like try to be lenient on this one. So if you can check, guys, this is our red candle, right? Here, it's our red candle. And then the price ran with a bullish liquidity void, but it came back. You can see it came back, came back, it came back. It gave us a first retest. Where? In this zone. Check. Number one. Ah, man. First retest. Then number two. Here. Let's just use this as a one activation. And then from there, where? Here. Let's cancel one. So if you can check, guys, let me just go to 1 hour time frame so that you can be able to see what I was talking about. So 1, 2, 3. Then what happened? If you can check, where did price move? It moved up. This is an ICT order block for long term. So if you were unable to get the first entry here, then you can be able to catch it here. Unfortunately, still it haven't yet moved from this order block. And then here is it, the final entry, or still yet it also created another opportunity. So then from there, guys, if you missed this one, you were fine now, because this is how we trade order blocks in a long term, right? So sometimes when you go through the PDF that I've shared of tradable versus non-tradable order blocks, you will see that there are some order blocks that don't even meet the requirements to be traded. So if you check this one, it was a clear order block, ICT order block. Let me highlight it. You take from the red candle. Here's the red candle before the void started. You see, you extend the whole body of that particular candle. Do you understand? The whole body, even if it's small, as long as it's a red candle. And then from there, what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then price ran away from that zone. We came again. We had another second entry. If you missed entering in the ICT one, he had consolidation, ran up, it came back, retest. Once the price moves out from the zone, you place trades. Simple like that. If now, let's say you want to enter, how do you enter? When the price come back to activate this order block, you just relax. Once the price move starting away from the start moving away from the order block, it's when now you place trades. Simple. Even here, once you see that prices are now starting to move, or the market is now starting to move out from the order block, you place trades. But if it was me now, I place trades during this this activation. Once the market comes in this zone, it's where I start placing trades, because I know that we're having 98% chances of winning our trades. Simple, guys. Even here, same applies. Even here, when you can check, maybe let's go to 1 hour. Maybe, okay, wait, 50, or maybe let's just try to check for another last order block or something like that. Here's another one. How? Where is it now? If you can check, guys, let me zoom in. If you can check in this one, this was a bearish liquidity, a bearish order block. Yes, ICT. This is a green candle. Then you take it like that. You see? Then what happened from there? Then you came again. It came again. Created another one. Remember the green candle. Still, this is ICT. ICT order block. Let me just use the line. You see? Simple like ABC, guys. Yes. So we had 2 here. Automatically, we had 2. You see, the first one it's here. Here, let me highlight. Number one, green candle before the price started to shift the structure, and then activation, then ICT order block approved, then it came back again here, bearish liquid a green candle, then bearish liquidity void, then it came back, and from there what happened? The price moved it down. So it's not a matter of maybe only having bullish liquidity voids, even the bearish liquidity void. So the only thing that you must first understand, check the trend. If you see a break of structure or a church, then it's where you can be able to see with no, here the structure has moved. If you check this one, the shift, this was an uptrend. If you check, let me just highlight. This was an uptrend, okay, zigzag, 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 zigzag. But unfortunately, the market started to do what? To shift the structure. Do you see? Higher high. Now we're no longer having another higher high. We're having a higher low, and then a higher, a lower low. Here, a lower low, a higher low, higher high. Do you see? So then what happened? Shift the structure, lower low, and then lower low, and then higher low again, higher low again. So guys, is this hard? So the moment you see this a shift of structure, think of order blocks. Why? Because the entries, the activations of the order block, they're showing you a break or a shift of structure. Here is it, higher high. This was the activation, higher a higher low, then higher low number 2, and then this was the activation, then this is a lower low, then this is a lower low. Do you understand, guys, what I mean? So this is how we do it, or this is how we identify and also trade order blocks. So by shifting or by studying the market structure, you will be able to understand which order blocks to use, which order blocks to apply. Even here, you are gonna be able to see, no, this is a uptrend. In an uptrend, what happens? We know that, okay, we must have a higher high and a higher low, higher high and a higher low. Guys, check, this is a higher high, this is a higher high. So here we are having 90% chances of the market to give us a higher low. Sorry. This is a higher high and then a lower high. And then it continues. It gives us a higher high. And then here's our low. Guys, you see what I'm talking about. So the moment you think of having an activation of an order block, then also think of the market structure. Obvious, there is nothing special about selling because you see this is the uptrend, and then we don't have yet a shift of structure. Then what do you think to do? You must only buy. Then you look for bullish liquidity for order blocks that haven't yet been activated. Simple like that, guys. I'm ending the session here. If you don't understand, go back to your PDFs, try to study these things, guys. So this was just an explanation of you of showing you that you can link order blocks together with the market structures. Simple like that. So guys, this is the end of our session of order blocks. It was just a summary, guys. Peace. I'm out.